and welcome. I'm Paula in New York, outside the courtroom where Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial is now underway.
And hello, I'm Lynda Kinkade in Atlanta. We have a busy hour ahead for you. I'll be bringing you the top international headlines, including the very latest on the Israel-Hamas war and the continuing pro-Palestinian protests at various college campuses across America that are now spreading to Europe.
But we do begin here in New York, where the defense is continuing its cross-examination of former tabloid publisher David Pecker. Now, this week, Pecker has detailed several so-called catch-and-kill operations, which the prosecution argues were part of a much broader effort to keep negative stories about Donald Trump under wraps during the 2016 U.S. presidential election. Remember, this was meant to influence the election. Those are the allegations. And now we get to Karen McDougal's allegation of an affair with Mr. Trump, and that in the last hours has been the major focus. We are still waiting for a ruling from Judge Marchand after this week's gag order hearing. The prosecution is accusing Trump of committing 4 new violations, and in response, the judge said he will hold a new hearing on the allegations next Thursday. Now, I want to alert you to what's going on the left hand of the screen. You can see some key updates from Donald Trump's trial. You can read along with us because, a reminder, there are no cameras allowed during these proceedings. We have many CNN reporters, though, inside the court keeping us up to date on what's going on. Everything they see and hear will appear on that side panel. Joining us now is Caitlin Polance. She is live for us in Washington, and we've had the cross-examination now going on for today about almost an hour and a half. They're really going through some parts of these agreements right now that can seem a bit tedious to the jury. I mean, what do you think the defense attorney there, Emile Beauvais, is getting at?
The defense attorneys in this case have David Pecker on the stand, and as they cross-examine him, they're trying to inoculate everything he said previously that may be damaging to Donald Trump, as the prosecutors used him to set up the arc of this case, the scheme of the catch-and-kill tabloid journalism world, the ability and the willingness of the National Enquirer to help Donald Trump's campaign